It's a 2024 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. This XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.